All right, good morning, guys. It is day 4 of Vlogmas. I'm currently on my way to drop off Gia to school. Hi. All right, so yeah, we're gonna do that, and then I think I have some other things to do. We got a ticket. Hey, come, go in the car. We got a damn ticket on the car, like, what the fuck? OMG.
Mommy, why you need a ticket?
For parking right here, and you gotta park on the other side. I'm gonna park in the driveway when I come back. Alright, so I'm gonna come back to y'all after I drop off G. Alright, y'all, so I just dropped off Gianna to school. And yeah, I'm gonna go to Target. I'm running low on deodorant, so I need to get some deodorant. I think I wanted to see if I could get a curtain for the bathroom. And then that's about it for today. I don't know what else is on the agenda, but yeah. So I'm on my way to Target. I will pull it back when I'm there. All right, so I'm here. Made it to Target. Target. Here we come. Alright, so I just came in here with deodorant. Deodorant, they done got everything all locked up. Buy deodorant. So alright, so I'm trying to decide which scent to get. I want something simple. Maybe I'll try the apple white tea. Sounds interesting. So I'm just waiting for them to come unlock it because they got the whole shit on lockdown. It seems like nobody wants to open it. Alright, so I just got the soap and I just got the deodorant. So I'm gonna just go look at what kind of toys they have on sale. And then that's it. And so I'm gonna just go look at the toys that they have in here and see what it's giving, because I see they have like a 50% off online. So that's what I'm gonna do. A lot of gingerbread houses and cookies and stuff. It's like a whole mansion or something. Let's see what they have over here. Holiday corn. Alright, I'm gonna come back for those. God dang. A little surprise, guys. We thought Mega Poetry Alive, Nerf gun, and this stuff. I'm gonna get 150. This is cute. That's a leaf. Some more for the cotton balls. to get some things out of the way, and I'm not doing everything last minute. Oh, this is crazy. Time to check out. Shaking out. Alright, so I'm back in the car. I'm gonna go home now. I got nothing else to do. So, y'all. There's a ticket on the car. This morning. Alright, yeah, so it's been several hours later, and as you can see, it's a little darker outside. So I'm on my way to go get Gianna from after school program, and Bay's gonna start cooking some pork chops because he has work in a few hours. So yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so we just got G from school. Say hey. Hi. How was school today, G?
It was good.
What you did today?
First Miss Darn Smith came back today.
Oh, how was she? She's okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then what else y'all did?
We also
So you have homework, right? You had homework today?
Yeah. But it was really easy homework.
Oh, you did it already?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. All right.
We're going upstairs now.
Yeah. Trying to get my key. All right, so we'll show y'all. Daddy's about to cook, right? Daddy's gonna cook some food before he go to work, and we'll show y'all the dinner after, right?
Yeah.
Later.
Goodbye.
At the Top Chef, you know, you don't know at dinner time, you know, we are get ready now, you know. Look at that, yo. Yeah. That tastes good, you know. You know? Yeah, man, you don't know, cut up the vegetable, you know, so we are going to cook down this back in the pot. You know, so we are wait for 2 more pieces fry up, you know, so then we cook it down all together, and then you have the best meal you ever ate, you know what I mean? At the Top Chef. Yeah, man, you don't know, you know. Put it in the pot, you know, as I say, the vegetable and everything. Look at that. Yeah, man, make that cook down for 20-30 minutes, you see me? And then you're good. You see me, I say? Look at that. Soon come back. Yeah, man, food done and now ready to share out and now. You see me, I say? Look at that. Yeah, man, dinner done and now and ready to be served, you know what I mean? Look at that at the Top Chef, you know. Make sure you know, subscribe to the channel, you know. You don't know the thing going on at the Top Chef, you know. Yo, we're gone.
Babe's gonna work.
Yeah, man, you don't know the thing going on, you know. Yeah, man. On the night train, you know. Look at that.
Alright, so we'll see y'all tomorrow for the next vlog.
Oh,
Bye.